Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT widget on Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click on OK and then click this button to skip introduction. Now click not now and then click open permissions. And click here on AI assistant to allow this app to appear on top, and then you can go back and click start. And as you can see, here is my Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.